excited for today's video. I do have some new Merit Beauty products. All of these products I've already had from Merit Beauty, but I do have two brand spanking new products from Merit Beauty. I got the Signature Lip, and the shade is in... I'll leave it here on the screen. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Look at the packaging of this lipstick. Absolutely gorgeous. It's like this burnt orange shade. And the second new product that I have is this. This is called the Minimalist. This is a perfect complexion stick. This is a multi-use stick. You can use it all over your face for anything you want to use it for. So this one I got the shade Tiger Eye, and it's dark, and I got it for contour purposes. So let's start off with the brows. I do have the Merit Beauty Brow Pomade. If you guys are interested in trying out these products for yourself, I will be leaving a link in the description box below. Get free shipping on all orders over $40. I think that's amazing. You are going to fall in love with Merit Beauty, so I'm pretty sure that your cart's going to be way more than $40. Each first order comes with the Merit Beauty Signature Bag. It is an adorable bag. You guys, I do have it. I just couldn't find it to show you guys, but you'll be able to see it on the website. When you click my link below, you'll be able to see the beautiful, cute, versatile bag as well. So you guys know that I am horrible with brows, but this product looks so natural on the brows. It feels so creamy, so lightweight. It's perfect. I have been using this for quite a while. Like I said, the only two new products that I have from Merit is the first two that I showed you. The rest of them I've already have and been using. I do have another one of the Minimalist Perfect Complexion Sticks. I got this one in my shade, so I can use it as a concealer or a foundation. Today, the only thing that I want to do is use just a little bit all over my face to kind of give me some coverage for my face. I don't want to do too much today, so I am going to keep it lightweight. It's perfect for all over the face. It's creamy. It is retractable, so you just screw it up and then screw it back down. I love that. This packaging has some weight to it as well, and it feels really, really nice. How that just evened out my skin tone. It's very lightweight. It looks like nothing on the skin. It really does, and it feels like nothing on the skin. So this brand is perfect for us who like minimal makeup but still like to have makeup on. So it's perfect for those no makeup days, or just, you know, for light looks. This brand is perfect for us mature and textured skinned people. Dark. And I do have the bronzing balm, so I'm going to use both of these today. I'm going to use the bronzing balm just to kind of bronze up the face a little bit. And look at the packaging on this. Lovely. And I've been using this one for quite a while. This product is just so creamy and so easy to blend, and it does not disturb anything that's underneath it. Okay, that looks really, really nice. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it so much. Just to darken it up a little bit, I am going to go in with the Minimalist again. This is the complexion stick, and I am going to use it to contour now. I am only doing base makeup today because I just don't feel like wearing a lot of makeup today. So this is perfect. Woohoo! Look at this flawless base makeup. The good thing also about these products is they're so they will not clog your pores. They are specifically formulated not to clog pores. And your girl here has large pores. So, the next product that I'm going to go in with is their little blush. Look at this blush. It is so stunning. This one is in the shade Beverly Hills. This is called Flush Balm Cheek Color. Love it. I really need to get more blush shades because I love these blushes. I use this blush almost every single day. You have seen it a lot on my channel. So don't forget, you can get your products by clicking the link below. Absolutely do that, you guys. Oh, you will love it. Okay, so last but not least, let's try out this lipstick. This is a brand new lipstick to me. I just got it, like I said, and I wanted to give it a try. It is in this stunning like burnt orange red shade, and like I said, I'll leave the shade here, the shade name here on the screen again, because I cannot pronounce that. You know me, I'm from Appalachia. We have our own way of talking. Now, I do already have a lip balm on under it because my lips get really chapped, so I needed a lip balm. But I'm actually going to wipe it off so we can test out this lipstick on its own. Absolutely do not need a lip balm. You guys, that is so creamy. Okay, so again, if you guys are interested in any of these products, please click the link in the description box below. These products are perfect for mature and textured skin, and for those of us who like minimal makeup but still like to have makeup on to cover up everything. This is catered to all people. So if you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and go down there, click that link, check these products out. Bye!